When you are courting a nice girl, an hour seemed like a second. When you hit on a red hot cinder, a second seemed like an hour. That is reality. Science without religion is lame. Religion without science is blind. Any fool can now. The point is to understand. The best way to cheer yourself is to cheer somebody else up. Peace cannot be kept by force, it can only be achieved by understanding. The world as we have created it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking. Two things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity. And I'm not sure about universe. When you trip over love, it is easy to get up. But when you fall in love, it is impossible to stand again. Imagination is everything, it is the preview of life changing attraction. If you can't explain it to a 6-year old, you do not understand it yourself. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. I am enough of an artist to draw freely upon my imaginations. My imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited, imagination encircles the world. The measure of intelligence is the ability of change to change. Reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. We all know that light travels faster than sound. That's why certain people appear bright until you hear them speak. The world is a dangerous place to live not because of people who are evil but because of the people who do not anything about it. Creativity is intelligence having fun. When you are courting a nice girl, an hour seems like a second. When you sit on a red hot cinder, a second seems like an hour. That is reality. There are only two ways to live your life. One is as tough nothing as a miracle. The other is as tough everything is miracle. Blind belief in authority is the greatest enemy of truth. Love is a better master than duty. What is right is not always popular, and what is popular is not always right. Everything must be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. A clever person solves a problem, a wise person avoids it. If A is a success in life, then A equals x plus y plus z. Work is x, y is play, and z is keeping your mouth shut. Genius is 1%, talent is 99%, and hard work. The pursuit of truth and beauty is a sphere of activity in which we are permitted to remain children all our lives. You never fail until you stop trying. Once you can accept the universe as matter expanding into nothing, that is something wearing strips with plaid comes easy. It is not that I am so smart, but I stay with questions much longer. If we knew that it was we are doing, it would not be called research, would it? Great spirits have always encountered violent opposition from mediocre minds. A question that sometimes drives me hazy: am I or are the others crazy? Whoever is careless with the truth in small matters cannot be trusted with important matters. The most beautiful experience we can have is the mysterious. It is the fundamental emotion that stands at the cradle of true art and true science. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. If I were not a physicist, I would probably be a musician. I often think in music. I live my daydreams in music. I see my life in terms of music. Black holes are were God divided by zero. Time is an illusion. The world as we have created it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking.